Hi everyone! Today, I will show you how you can quickly and easily integrate your Maximizer account with OpenAI with the help of the Zapier platform. Let's take a look at how you can set up an integration between Maximizer and OpenAI with Zapier. First, navigate to the app directory in Maximizer and filter out Zapier integrations. Then, select the OpenAI integration and click on the Setup with Zapier button. On this page, you can review available triggers and actions and come up with your own workflow, or you can start with one of the popular templates. For example, let's consider this first workflow. It enables Zapier to send prompts every time a new note is created in Maximizer. Let's say a salesperson creates a note after a customer call. This note is then enriched with the AI-powered summary and list of action items. To enable this workflow, you need to have an account with Maximizer as well as accounts with Zapier and OpenAI. So, let's open the workflow details and check how it works. For the popular workflow, you will see the predefined triggers and actions, and you only need to make sure your accounts are connected and adjust the additional details as needed. Here the trigger is a new note entry created in Maximizer. You can also choose if this workflow should work for address book entries, leads, opportunities, or cases. The most common choice is A/B entry. We can test if the trigger works fine with our demo account being connected. Let's click Test Trigger and check the response. The trigger doesn't work as we are missing a new note in Maximizer. Let's switch back to Maximizer and create a note for the address book entry. We need to save the note, and now it is shown in the address book timeline. Let's get back to the Zapier interface and test the trigger one more time. The trigger works fine now, and we can review the response and see the key value of the note there. This is a unique identifier of the note, note text, A/B entry details, and other note accompanying information from Maximizer. The green checkmark indicates that the step was completed successfully. Now, let's move on to the first action, which is sending a prompt with the note text to OpenAI. The OpenAI app is already selected for you, but you need to connect your OpenAI account. The prompt is also pre-written, but if you want, you can adjust it as needed and include additional information related to the note and A/B entry from step 1. You can also change the response settings, like temperature and length. Once the prompt settings are ready, it's time to test this action and check the OpenAI response. You can play with the prompt, make it more specific, and retest the results until it's perfect. In the third step, the prompt response with the note summary and action items is sent back to Maximizer and added to the existing note. For this purpose, the Update Note action is used. You can also change the workflow to save the AI-powered response as a new note in Maximizer. At this step, your Maximizer account should already be connected, and you only need to specify the note key value. We already saw it in the trigger response in step 1. You can easily paste the key value from the search results. Choose if you want the updated note to have an HTML format, as by default it is plain text, and determine the updated note view. In my template, I am using some simple HTML formatting. Let's add the AI-powered response from step 2 in the first section and the original note from step 1 in the second section. I will use the search field and paste the corresponding fields from there. We can now test the second action and see the final result. Testing is successful, so we can get back to our timeline in Maximizer and verify if the note was updated. The updated note contains the AI-generated summary and the list of action items as well as the original note in the bottom section. The workflow works correctly, and all you need to do now is to confirm the publishing of this integration in Zapier. And just like that, you're up and running with a powerful new integration that can save you time and help you make better informed decisions. With Maximizer and Zapier, the possibilities are endless.